What if I told you one simple sweet potato can become dozens of products you've probably never imagined? Today, we're stepping inside South Korea's incredible factories to uncover how sweet potatoes are transformed into foods loved around the world. South Korea has turned the humble sweet potato into one of its most valuable agricultural products. What begins as a freshly harvested root quickly enters a highly advanced manufacturing system where technology, precision, and traditional recipes work together to create an astonishing variety of foods. The journey starts at large processing facilities where truckloads of freshly harvested sweet potatoes arrive every day. Automated conveyor systems gently transport them through powerful washing machines that remove soil, stones, and other natural impurities. High-pressure water jets clean every potato while optical scanners inspect their size, shape, and quality. Only the best potatoes continue to the next stage. Next comes the sorting process. Intelligent machines separate sweet potatoes by size and quality, allowing each batch to be used for a specific product. Larger potatoes may become roasted snacks, while smaller ones are prepared for flour, puree, or frozen foods. Every movement is controlled by advanced computer systems to maximize efficiency and reduce waste. One of Korea's most famous products is roasted sweet potatoes. Huge industrial roasting ovens slowly cook the potatoes under carefully controlled temperatures, creating a naturally sweet flavor and soft texture. As they leave the ovens, automated cooling lines prepare them for packaging while preserving their freshness. Another production line transforms sweet potatoes into fine flour. Industrial peeling machines remove the skin before precision slicing equipment cuts them into thin pieces. Large drying chambers remove moisture, and powerful grinding machines turn the dried slices into smooth sweet potato flour used in noodles, bread, desserts, and many traditional Korean foods. Inside another department, modern food processors convert cooked sweet potatoes into creamy puree. This puree becomes the base for cakes, pastries, ice cream, beverages, baby food, and even premium bakery products. Automated mixing systems ensure every batch has the same texture and flavor. Korean factories also produce crispy sweet potato chips. Thin slicing machines create perfectly uniform pieces before they move through advanced frying or air drying systems. Seasoning drums coat the chips with carefully measured flavors before robotic packaging machines seal them into attractive retail bags. Nothing goes to waste. Peels, smaller pieces, and other byproducts are collected and processed into livestock feed, compost, or industrial ingredients, making the entire operation far more sustainable. Throughout every production stage, sophisticated quality control systems monitor temperature, moisture, color, texture, and food safety. AI-powered cameras inspect every product while laboratory technicians regularly test samples to ensure strict international standards are maintained. Finally, the finished sweet potato products enter fully automated packaging lines before being organized inside climate-controlled warehouses. From there, refrigerated trucks and export containers deliver them to supermarkets, restaurants, bakeries, and food companies across South Korea and around the world. What looks like an ordinary sweet potato in the field is actually the beginning of an extraordinary journey powered by modern engineering, intelligent automation, and decades of food innovation. The next time you enjoy Korean sweet potato chips, desserts, bread, or roasted sweet potatoes, remember the incredible technology working behind every bite. Thank you for watching Factory Insider TV. Subscribe for more fascinating factory documentaries, and we'll see you in the next Factory Insider adventure.